Hey guys, this is Matt from Dog and Pine Leather Goods, or Dog Pine now. I took the hand out a while ago. I just wanted to wish you a good 2026 moving forward. It's January 1st. I'm getting this up a little late today. It was a little crazy yesterday, and the week prior, and the month prior to that, and the month prior to that. This whole year, 2025 has been crazy, guys. And I'm trying to make sure I keep looking at the green dot. But I just wanted to thank you all for all the support. Oh, the camera's shaking. Stop. But I just wanted to thank you all for the support here myself. I just wanted to thank you all for the bags you bought, the Patreon you've supported, the kind words you have said over the last year, 2 years. It 2025 specifically, 'cause this is the first full year. I started last 2 Octobers ago. This has now been over a year working in this full time. I've moved, which is crazy. Two friends of mine are now well, three friends technically, but I now have two nieces, which is crazy. Well, friend nieces. My nephew had his first birthday or first Christmas, which is crazy. He's almost one this month, and it's just been an absolutely wild ride. And the reason I'm doing this a little bit longer format here on the YouTube is just because if you told me I would be here a couple years ago, I wouldn't believe you. Um, I did not see myself doing this full time. I did not see this being something I would be doing, but it has been so wonderful. And I thank you all for the support you have given me throughout 2025 and earlier than that. I'm sorry for the car noises you're hearing right now. I want to thank you all because y'all have been crazy good to me, and I just the family support, the friends that have helped me with booth payments, and when money's gotten a little tight, because the year was pretty good, and then it got a little tight, and now it's doing good again, and just the burnout and the wonderful people, and I've moved this year, which is kind of this is like a look back at like what's happened. I've done some events, just a lot of crazy things have happened. I've had family that's moved, just a lot of good, you know. Oh wait, my nephew was born this year. I forgot that was like the very beginning of the year. So I became an uncle this year. Look in the middle. Look in the middle. I'm sorry, I'm doing this in one take because I don't want to edit this, and it was going to be a bigger thing. I was going to do this like a week ago and have it all nice and edited, but no, you're getting day of, and I'm sorry about that. But I just want to thank you all for the support and the wonderful kind words. And the fact that, oh no, I'm gonna get emotional. I'm able to do what I'm doing. I'm able to be a creative person like I've always been. I'm able to do a job that I'm good at. Decent. I'm gonna say decent, so my head doesn't get any bigger. It can't get any bigger. Um, just, just the fact that so many people have said so many kind things, and to have people that have been so absolutely wonderful to me, and supportive that I could never imagine. Growing up, I had some people in my life, friends, people I thought were friends, that it really messed up my view of like friendship, and people that were constantly putting me down for the way I was. Um, I was always over flamboyant, not flamboyant, that's the wrong word, but like just over the top, just undiagnosed ADHD child. Who would have guessed? But I'm glad I found some people that are good with me being me. They're very supportive of my business and just have made it known that they enjoy having me in their lives, which is just crazy for me. I'm like, but also I appreciate the kind words. I've gotten some messages from some people that have just been like absolutely they tune in. They haven't bought anything from me, or some of them have. Some of them supported on a Patreon for a little bit. I appreciate you all for that. They give gifts on TikTok. Like, I appreciate you all for that. But the people that have the joy I've been able to bring to people by making a bag. It's a bag. It functions. It does its thing. But it's just a whimsical little bag. But the fact that there are people that tune in on a regular basis to interact with me is crazy. But the fact that people tune in because I bring them a little bit of joy. I'm going to do it. Ha! Make it through. Sorry. The This is where my emotions get to me. The fact that there are people that tune into my streams or watch my stuff. Yes, they like the bags. They like what I do as a person. But the fact that they get a little bit of joy or peace from interacting with me online. If sorry, if I could have told it's not coming out. I wasn't expecting this to get emotional, guys. I was not expecting this to get emotional. Oh, this is crazy. If I could have told younger me that you can spread some joy this way. Oh, no, it's happening. All right, we're just going to get past this. You get what I'm trying to say. And I appreciate that y'all have made it known that you enjoy seeing me on here, that I do bring you some joy. And that's better than being able to make a living off of this. If I have to go work a normal job and keep doing this, I will. Because it is. So, I'm sorry, guys. I got emotional in the one take and everything. I wasn't expecting to. This lighting is doing great for me right now. And this apron shirt combo, great. But but sorry, I need to. But I just wanted to say thank you to my friends and family that have been super supportive. The people that have said kind words and been super supportive of me pursuing this, that have supported me financially, that have supported me with kind words, and that I too am not just able to give you a product. Um, I'm able to bring you some joy. The fact that people are waiting to tune in to make their workday go by a little bit better, to do this, to do just crazy, and it makes it all worth it. So I just want to kind of give some. If you've made it here through the emotions and through everything, I just wanted to do a couple updates on like what's going on moving forward, and that's going to be a bit of everything. So, um, still working out of my house. I'm not going to try to move into any new place. I want to make sure I can get the business kind of down tight through 2026 and do some growth. Kind of really save up, get some growth down. New products coming. We've moved to Shopify. Etsy is no more. I'm tired of Etsy. I'm going to do a whole video on that sometime soon. What else do we have? I do have some in-person shows. I'm trying to do North Forge the Gathering this year. I have a couple shows here locally that I'm going to do. When I have confirmed I'm doing those shows, I will put it up everywhere. Because I do know some people have wanted to come see me at shows. I will let you know when that happens. I'm having to talk different to lock in. Um, and old sales off of Etsy, anything. If you haven't got anything yet, please email me via my link tree. I'm getting that taken care of. That was a whole fiasco that I'm going to make a whole separate video on here on YouTube. So I just appreciate you guys. Again, this has been a crazy roller coaster. The fact I've made it a year. I've made it past the year mark. Now the last 2 months of said year, we're skittering. We need a little assistance, but we're gonna get there. So I just want to thank you from the very bottom of my heart and Celestine's Paws. Just thank you so much for all the support you've given us. And y'all are so good. And I hate that this is going to end at like right at 10 minutes. That wasn't the intent. I'm seeing the timer. I'm like, okay, we're at 10. But this has been Matt with Dog Pine Leather Goods, or Dog Pine Leather Goods. We got a lot of growth coming. We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep going, guys. I appreciate you all so so much. I couldn't ask for a better niche to do, and I'm really hoping this isn't picking up my beard. I just noticed, but I'm sorry, guys. The ADHD is kicking in bad right now, but I appreciate you all. This is looking forward to 2026 moving forward, and I just can't wait, guys. So this has been Matt signing out.